Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad, bitch, she.
This must be Auto Auction Rebuilds East Coast. Look at this. This dude's got like 9 cars around his house. Yeah, what the fuck? Go figure. I literally just got done washing the truck. Like literally just got done washing the truck. And what is that? What is that? It's rain. Alright, now this is an edition of before they were Copart, but this one is really bad. This is a 7 Series BMW, and it is, I mean, I saw this going by, it is totally obliterated. Like it's, look, I mean, it took a hit in the side so hard that it buckled the roof. The pillar is bent in. Like the seat, I'm sure it's a massive biohazard. I mean, that thing right there is just, oh my God. I mean, look at this. The control arm and everything broke. I mean, it even looks like there's fluids coming out of this thing. Like the frame busted. I mean, this thing, whatever hit this, and the parts of the other car that hit it are in the back seat. Whatever hit this thing, like just take a look at the profile of how hard this thing got hit. Jesus. I mean, I will say this, people give BMW a lot of shit, but I will say this, it is, look, now let me give you a side view. Now look at the door. Look how far the door came in. Let me come over here so I can give you a better look. Look how far the door came in over there. Looks like the car that hit him was a Mercedes-Benz by the parts and the other stuff in there. But just take a look at how far in. Look at that door. Look at that seat. Now, I mean, airbags and stuff are going to save you, but I guarantee you whoever was sitting in that seat got, if there was somebody sitting in that seat, they got crushed. They got hurt, because look at that side panel. Comes in right to there. I mean, that's insane. That's some real world carnage for you before they were Copart. Before they were Copart. This right here is crazy. Another before they were Copart. Look at this Pontiac. Now, this one had the Jaws of Life on it. So you can see the roof was literally cut off. You can see it right there. And you can see it right there. This one is crazy. You can see like they just cut the roof right off. So I'm guessing the damage or the accident was so bad up here on this side. Oh wow, I didn't even get over here. Holy crap. I mean, this right here is crazy. Look at that seat. What's crazy is I don't see any blood stains or anything on the seat, so the people, like, this car probably did its job. You know, the people probably got pinned, which was, you know, the cause for the Jaws of Life. But yeah, wow. Two very nasty pieces of carnage, but I thought it may interest you guys. This Corolla is not as bad. You know, it looks like something hit it, you know, or it hit something and folded up the hood, you know, busted out the windshield, but nothing too insane. And then, you know, back to this BMW. I mean, oof. You know, to buckle to buckle this thing like so. You know, to buckle this pillar up like this and turn it into a square, and for this to come in, like something hit this thing exceptionally hard. I mean, really, really now hard. This is a real world edition of Copart. This one got smashed and was left here on the side of the road, I'm guessing yesterday, because it's right down here by the hotel. And we heard the loud, massive smash last night, and boy, can you see it. I think, looking at this headlight, that this was a Mitsubishi Galant. You could tell that it's not been inspected or anything. Look at these tires, they were bald. So whoever was driving it probably didn't have an opportunity to stop. Look at this, the whole interior. Windshield came in. Like, this is crazy. All this stuff sitting in here. It almost looks like they were either carrying parts, or did it get that nasty that quick? Unless, you know, this might be one of those real nasty cars. But yeah, it was a Mitsubishi Galant. But look at the side profile here. Like, this thing got totally just smashed. And it's another one of those buckling pillars. You can see here. Oh wow, did they cut this out? It does. It looks like they or maybe they were starting to jaws of life it, or did it just break? I can't really tell because it's not separated. The rubber molding hasn't been cut, so maybe they were starting to do it and then didn't. Weird. Wow. And this thing, you know, like I said, it's been out here for, I don't know, 24 hours maybe a little bit longer than that. But Jesus Christ, I mean, look at the, like, where the light is here, and I can literally stand in here. Like, the engine folded up. I wonder if it went under the car or what. It looks crazy. You can see the exhaust sticking down there. This is absolutely nuts. Just absolutely nuts. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. If you guys are enjoying the real world carnage right here off the side of the road, let me know in the comment section down below it, because I see stuff like this every single day. I just don't stop to look at it. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about the real world carnage, and catch you guys on another one. What is up, guys? That's gonna do it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you like the real world carnage videos? If you're wondering what this is, you guys will be seeing a lot of this pillow in a special segment I like to call My Happy Place, which you guys will get to see here coming in the near future, which I think you guys are going to think is ridiculously funny. Anyways, like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Remember, we are doing a giveaway video for a free car, a 2002 Chevy Malibu, here on the channel. You do not want to miss this. It's very simple. You don't have to comment here that you want the free car. You have to go to, I guess I'm going to have to do a separate giveaway update on this because I think people are confused. You have to go to the giveaway video that's right here on the channel, as well as going to the giveaway video that is over on Randy's channel over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. You can do that by just simply going to the video, thumbing it up, make sure you're subscribed here, make sure you're subscribed over at Auto Auction Rebuilds, and then all you have to do is comment on both videos. We're going to use Gleam.io. It's going to randomly pick, so like telling me, like, you could totally deserve the car or totally need it. I get it. But making that comment, Gleam.io is going to pick the winner. It's a randomizer. It just takes the comments, brrr, boom. So, you know, that doesn't mean spam the comments with like 50 comments. You know what I'm saying? If you have like, hi, what's up, you know, like 50 different comments, it's not going to help you. You know, but if you're commenting on both videos, that can help you. That's going to double your chances. If you're following us on Instagram or commenting on the giveaway car on Instagram, that's going to help you. So all of that is in the description of the giveaway video. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video with the Carnage. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next video.
She bosses over like Zane's.